Well, I'm in the middle of a series on fasting. Well, maybe I shouldn't say the middle. This is session number 2 on fasting. I've done a number of videos about the Lenten season. You can find them wherever you consume your favorite videos. But today I want to talk about why so many people put so little emphasis on fasting in the modern church. And I think it is that it is perceived to be a warped monastic practice by which medieval Christians try to attain righteousness apart from faith. And you only need to think back to Martin Luther, who prior to the Reformation quite nearly killed himself in order to gain right standing before God. And afterward, he ruefully noted that extreme abstinence had quite likely done permanent damage to his digestive system. Well, the fact that the just shall live by faith is hardly an excuse to give up on fasting. There's no need to throw out the baby with the bathwater. Defect is no reason to disdain discipline, and neither should orthopraxy be sacrificed on the altar of orthodoxy. Doctrinal correctness is not a replacement for correct discipline, as though what we do and what we think have no bearing upon one another. Christian philosopher Dallas Willard actually had a very sobering corrective in this regard. And this is what he said. He said, one of the greatest deceptions in the practice of the Christian religion is the idea that all that really matters is our internal feelings, our ideas, our beliefs, and our intentions. It is this mistake about the psychology of the human being that more than anything else divorces salvation from life, leaving us with a head full of vital truths about God and a body unable to fend off sin. And thus, while fasting for the sake of fasting is most surely sin, fasting for the sake of spiritual attainment is a divine imperative. To abstain from physical pleasures for a season serves to intensify the greatest pleasure of all, that of communing with the living God. I've got a whole lot more to say about fasting, that coming up in the next video.